Every DIYer needs a vise in their shop or garage. Sometimes we need that second set of hands to hold onto the workpiece as we tighten or loosen a fastener, especially for bigger items, so where we mount it also matters. But as I'm about to find out, what you mount it on also matters. Since I planned on upgrading my workbench from a maple wood top to a stainless steel one, I held off on mounting this vise until the top came in, and I didn't realize why there were specific instructions until I couldn't drill through the stainless steel. Although there was initially progress, my drill bits quickly became dull. So I had to go out and get a set of these spider bits that eventually did the trick. But even if I stuck with the solid wood top, I would have still went with bolts over lag screws. This way, over time, as the weight of the workpieces pulls on the vise, the holes won't enlarge and it can be easily retightened without going to a bigger screw. So I did the additional step of installing T-nuts on the underside of the top and making a recess with a Forstner bit. And since this top has an MDF core, this part was much easier than the previous drilling step. The only real tricky thing here is getting the appropriately sized bolts so the top still sits flat. As for the top, it was specifically made for this tool cabinet, and what I like about it, other than its protective packaging, is that the top does not need to be purchased when you get the cabinet. And you can also easily change tops in the future, as I did, because generally speaking, most tool cabinets at the big box stores don't have this option. What you see is what you get, so if you like the cabinet design of one box but not the top, you're out of luck. However, the best part is, just like the tool cabinet and all of Tekton's tools, this top is covered by their lifetime warranty that also includes shipping. From the very beginning, I knew the vise was going on the front corner for easy access and additional vertical clearance. Thanks to the swivel base, I can also maneuver future workpieces in the proper position while still having drawer access. However, the size of the workpiece may prevent you from going around the corner. And now you officially have a set of helping hands in your shop at all times. But to see how to pick the best vise for your shop, check out this video, and I'll see you in that one.